Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable those camera and microphone use pop-up notifications on Chrome. If you've been getting those little alerts that show up every time your camera or microphone is in use, it can get annoying pretty fast. Don't worry, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to switch them off in just a few quick steps. First, grab your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where all the control lies for how your apps behave and notify you. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and give it a tap. Now, from the list of installed apps on your device, scroll until you locate Chrome, then tap to open it. This will take you to Chrome's specific settings page, where you can fine-tune everything from permissions to notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This is where things get interesting, because you'll see all the different types of notifications Chrome is allowed to send you. In order to dive deeper, tap on Notification Categories. Inside Notification Categories, you'll see a list of toggles for different types of alerts. The one we're focusing on today is camera and microphone use. Go ahead and tap on that option. Here, you'll find the setting that controls whether those notifications appear as pop-ups while you're using Chrome. Finally, toggle off the option that says Show as Pop-up. Once you've switched this off, Chrome will no longer interrupt you on screen with those camera and microphone alerts. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've customized Chrome so it works more smoothly without unnecessary pop-ups getting in your way. This small adjustment can make your browsing experience much cleaner and less distracting, especially if you use video calls or voice chat often. If you found this guide helpful, go ahead and give it a try on your phone right now. It only takes a minute and you'll immediately notice the difference. Thanks for watching.